Hi, this is the initial post for 4D, E, and F. In 4D, we find the professional responsibilities for participating in a professional learning community where teachers should have relationships that offer respect and cooperation. They should be a part of a working professional culture where they are serving students, they're serving at school events, they're offering to contribute in any way that it takes to improve the culture and the school student or the student achievement. So you see them contributing to special projects or programs that the district and the school have sought to put into place. Component 4E is evident when teachers search for professional development on their own in order to become more knowledgeable of their content and grow pedagogy skills. The teacher might improve or make improvements through constructive feedback that they're getting from others. They take that feedback and they look for ways to improve, and they look at it constructively instead of like they are being put down or disrespected. You would also see exceptional teachers mentoring or assisting other teachers so that the whole school is improving. I enjoyed watching the Bill Gates videos. He summed it up really well when he addressed the fact that we should use our good teachers, our quality teachers, to inspire, motivate, encourage, build up, and provide evidence of what quality teaching looks like to teachers who are struggling and have evidence that achievement is not happening. And this may be done when a teacher who's struggling provides a video and says, okay, this is what happened in my class. Can somebody that has quality classroom management watch this video and offer some assistance? Or this is what happened, this is the way I taught, this was the instructional practice I used. I did not see any growth, or maybe this particular group of kids did not grow or achieve. What would you have done? How would you have handled this differently? What could I have done differently? So using quality teachers to impact other teachers that need assistance is a great way to build up our staff. 4F, showing professionalism, expects teachers to be an integral piece in the building where all individuals and all aspects of education is important and integrity is shown. At the same time, teachers are fully complying with all the district and state policies. They're actively serving the students that are in their care and ensuring that every student is receiving an equitable opportunity for instruction and achievement. An evaluator may see evidence of 4D, E, and F when a committed teacher actively strives to become better through PLC, professional development, collaboration with other teachers. The teachers may also provide written evidence of any of these 4D, E, or F. We might have written reflections that they've written, video reflections, or documentation logs showing how they have met and are proficient in 4D, E, and F. Y'all have a good evening.